We are back. We are here. We're in Philadelphia. We're at MBA Annual. We're talking to movers and shakers. We're talking to thought leaders, tech gurus, people that are moving the needle and moving the industry forward. We know it's a tough market, but the people that are leaning in and embracing technology are the ones that are going to win the day. I have another incredible guest for you today, Dan Goldman, Flowify. Dan, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks, Michael. It's great to be here. We like to be thought of as movers and shakers, so excited to be here in Philadelphia.
Well, we're glad you're here. So tell me some of the things. What are some of the things that Flowify is doing as you add value to lenders in this type of market?
Absolutely. It's all about efficiency, and it's all about making a difference for our clients. We are the most configurable, most robust point-of-sale homebuyer solution in the marketplace today. And most recently, we rolled out a verification waterfall for VOEs and VOIs to allow our customers to save time, money, and effort on acquiring those verifications. So really excited about that feature that we just rolled out recently.
So let's talk a little bit about configurability, right? Because I love that you use the term configurability, not customizable, right?
Yes.
Customizable scares the bejeebies out of people. Oh my gosh, I got to have programmers. Tell me why configurability is so critical, especially as people look to scale their business, people look to, really optimize what they have in today's market.
Yeah, great question. So being the most configurable, and to your point, I use that term specifically instead of customization, is we have settings all the way through. You can customize, I should say configure the questions on the 1003. You can adjust your settings on any text messages, any email messages, on notifications, on milestones, anything you can think of, you can automate your business, from every step from the customer interaction all the way through to if your processor or underwriter wants to send out a condition. So it's that important to have that ability. And I will tell you that our system probably, it's like a Ferrari. A lot of people only use first gear, but we have all the gears available from a configuration standpoint.
Where are some of the areas that lenders are seeing the greatest uplift using Flowify?
Yeah, great question. And one thing I just thought of is we have our own built-in e-sign that we've developed over a number of years. We've saved our clients over $300,000 in fees based on what other providers would charge. And if you think about it, to use that e-sign, you can upload your documents, you can add a gift letter, you can send it out to a non-participant, party, meaning a non-borrower. All of that makes a big difference within the bottom line as far as the business goes. So our e-sign is one thing that just came to mind when you asked that.
Excellent. What are the best way for people to get a hold of you, whether it's here in Philadelphia at MBA Annual, if they want to find out more about Flowify, if they want to get a demo, do a discovery? What's the best way to get a hold of you?
Great question. So flowify.com, dan@flowify.com, or sales@flowify.com.
Dan, I can't thank you enough for being a guest on this episode, the Fintech Hunting Podcast, live from Philadelphia.
Thank you.